Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm at the stunning Aspire Post Oak, and I'm looking at one of the most beautiful floor plans I've ever seen. This is the autumn floor plan. This is their large 2-bedroom, and look at this entertaining area. It's just stunning. This is an amazing area. There's so much space to have a lot of people over. You could literally have 15 people over here, no problem. You've got all the space you need for it, and you've got a beautiful kitchen to support that kind of size too. You've got a huge island. You've got a great cooking space with gas, huge pantry, and then look at all the space you have over here too. This is just stunning. It's just a lot of space that you have here. It's an amazing amount of space. Now, let's look at one of the bedrooms too, the master bedroom. Stunning, stunning. You'll love it. Okay, first of all, you'll walk down. There is the shelf that's here. The shelf is just, I love that built-in shelf. But then we actually walk in and look at these views. These views are spectacular. Look at the wall here. It's a really crisp white wall. That's a king-size bed. You've got so much space in here. Can you imagine waking up to this every day or at night with the sunset views? Just a fabulous, fabulous view. And then finally, you've got this kind of bathroom with this walk-in shower and this stunning dual sink that's here. And then finally, more views, more windows, and a beautiful tub. So this is the kind of life you would have here at the Aspire Post Oak. This is the autumn floor plan. If you want to get more details and maybe do a personal virtual live tour like you're seeing now, but personalized to you, send me a text and just request that. Just say, I'd like to get that virtual tour free. That way you can do it from your phone. You don't have to travel here, and we'll take care of that for you as early as today. Send in that text right now, and I look forward to hearing from you.